The ocean provides billions of people around the world with their primary food source. But what happens when those people can no longer trust the sea to serve their supper? This could become a reality due to ocean acidification. When you own fish, you worry about the pH of the water in their tank. Why? Depending on the pH, your fish could become very sick. The pH scale, rated 0 to 14, determines how acidic or basic a solution is. Acids and bases are two special types of chemicals. In water, acids have a high concentration of hydrogen ions, while bases have much less. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have caused a 30% increase in acidification of seawater. The ocean has an average pH of 8.1. By 2100, it may drop to 7.6 if we continue to pollute the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels. As the Earth continues to warm, carbon dioxide builds up in the atmosphere. The ocean absorbs a lot of the excess CO2. As CO2 is absorbed by the ocean, it becomes more acidic. When CO2 and water, H2O, combine, it forms carbonic acid. Carbonic acid breaks down in water and releases 2 hydrogen ions. As the concentration of hydrogen ions increases, the water becomes more acidic. Hydrogen ions attach to calcium carbonate, the material that forms a sea creature's shell. When this happens, shells can dissolve, which can harm these creatures significantly. If seawater becomes too acidic, it can eliminate these small creatures, disrupting the ocean's food chain. If that occurred, larger species would die off as well, and ultimately affect the billions of people who rely on seafood in their daily lives. Ocean acidification, with the addition of global warming, the overall increase in the Earth's average temperature, is causing the ocean to become hazardous for sea life. The only way to slow down the acidification and reduce the risk caused by climate change is to reduce the human carbon footprint. One way is to universally use clean, renewable energy rather than continuing to burn fossil fuels. To play your part, you can start small by using more energy-efficient products. Be more aware of your eating habits. Buy in bulk. Use reusable bags and water bottles. Shop less. Repurpose old clothing. Encourage your friends to do the same and become politically active. There are endless possibilities to save the future of the planet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Mr. Weather's World on YouTube for new videos every Mr. Weather Wednesday.